Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove color tune on IMO app. So here, if you don't have IMO or if you already installed IMO on your smartphone, this is the international calls and chat app. So don't forget to update your app, your IMO app, in order to fix the bug, fix some issues, and add other enhancements to your app. For example, like invisible friend feature, hide your IMO invisible friends effortlessly with a simple shake of your phone, and so on. So here, in order to remove a color tune or ringtone, we can say it. Now you can open the app and tap the top left corner of your screen in order to go to your profile account. Then go to the settings. So here we go. This settings is a option adjustment, like how you can manage your notification, how you can control or configure the functions, chat settings, a storage and data, change language, a account and security, and manage devices. So this is like multi devices, and in order to change the ringtone or color tone, you can tap on notifications. Here we go. So you can choose the calls option, and this is the notification method. So under notification method, you can turn off the vibration and also tap on the ringtone option, and here you can try to change your default ringtone. But if you want to turn off, you can go back, and here we go. This is the notification management. Just tap none. You can mute all, and also in-app notification you can turn off. So here we go. In-app notification only apply to communication alert. Default setting for function notification are silent and vibration free. So just simply tap in-app notification and tap none on this ring bell icon. So no more ringtone, no more color tone. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.